everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is week 3 of December 2018 Mini Kit Monday. And as you can tell, I am using a very non-color page today. Yeah, my photo is black and white, and I have very few colors on it. Of course, as you can see, the green background. I know I mentioned whenever I introduced the kit that I was thinking about doing a holiday or some sort of winter themed page with it, but it really called itself to do this page. Now, one thing about this kit as well, there were a lot of butterflies on it, and I really, really, really wanted to use this silver butterfly. I tried different ways. I tried to make it work, and unfortunately, it doesn't make the cut. So I'm going through all of my stash that I have, trying just to pull out anything that's black and white, because I find it kind of funny. You color my world, and then there's no color on the page. But it's really kind of a sweet photo. It's one of the twins, and I know to her mama that she colors her mama's world so much, and sh the focus needs to be on her and not on the color on the page, and that's the way I look at it. Now, one of the things that I use on this page that I didn't know how I was gonna use is I pull that little guitar that is, a chipboard piece, and I end up using it because it's mostly black and white, has a hint of pink on it. And that is going to be the only other color, just this touch of pink. It's just a very, it's not monochromatic. What do they call that? I don't know. You guys help me out. Help me uh, to think what that's called. But I really like the focus being on the photo and the little 3x4 card. I believe I got that from Paper Issues. They have a lot of 3x4 cards that you can print out for free, as well as some cut files. Now, for me, I can't use their cut files. Um, I've mentioned this before. They gear mainly to silhouette, and even I have tried so many different ways, and I've even had the owner send me an email, said, "This is what you need to do." It doesn't work, and it doesn't work for a scan and cut. So if you've got a silhouette, you have it made, because those cut files are free. And it seems like the month of December, I have been promoting free cut files. I hope everyone went and got free cut files in the Hip Kit Club. All you have to do is be a member. You don't have to actually join, to be, what am I trying to say? To get a kit, all you have to do is to register, and then you can get into their cut files and download all the free cut files. And then I hope you guys were able to take part in the Just Nick Studio. Every day from December the 1st through the 12th, she was having a promotion, but you had to go in daily. So now all that is over. But I would encourage everyone to, check out her blog frequently. She has got some wonderful cut files. So I like her and Paige Evans. Those are the two that I like the most, in the Hip Kick Club. So, and I know that Spiegel Mom Scrap, she also has some cut files as well. Anyway, so those are the ones that I look at. If anyone has any other ideas for free cut files, if you would put that in the comments below, and I'll make sure that I mention them in the future. Okay, I'm almost done with this page. Here comes a little hint of the pink. These large sequins have a iridescent, so it has a little pink sheen to it. And I don't do very many sequins on it, so I show you how I put them on. I use a Distress Collage medium. There's no splatters on this page. I just leave it very simple, very sweet. I want to also mention to make sure you follow the other ladies that are part of this Mini Kit Monday series. Every month we make a kit, and we make a page every week. and post it on Monday. If anyone would like to join us, if you will just let us know, you can, mention something to me or to Becky Bidding or to Dolly Boyd or Kathy Feigl, just anyone. And that way we can make sure that we get your, that we add your name and your access to your channel, on our description box. This is the last thing that I do. I do use 2 lines to draw. They're not straight lines by any means, on all the edges of this page, and the still shots are coming. If you guys will give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to join us, and make sure you check out the other ladies' pages. All right, you guys have a great one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.